Hey guys, Run with Craft Scissors here with a haul from Brittania Nicole. I do PR for her, so I'm a paid representative, but I'm paid in stickers. So you can use my code Runwith15 for 15% off as far as that goes. And I'm going to jump right in because I'm so excited. Okay, and then I have my handy dandy clip binder that I made to quickly find clips that match because that's what's fun. And then I ordered quite a bit this time because I needed like everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go through these little things first. So this is the February sampler that you get when you order in February, which there's only, oh gosh, by the time you guys see this, it will probably be March. Yeah, it will, because this will go up on Friday. So I hope you got this freebie, but order in March and you get a different one. And then there's a daisy on there, which I find so cute. And then here's the cameras, and I needed more of these. She saw I use these for my spread pick, so I go through 3 cameras a week in 3 planners. So that's 9 camera stickers a week. Yep, that's me. And then film, I love her little new script stickers that she has. So these ones are like $1.80 a sheet, I believe. Yeah, because I got the one that says new releases. Yeah. So this one, there's a ton on here, and I use those to mark filming nights. And then I have new releases, which I like this one for when I launch my new releases, but I thought I could also use it for when shops are announcing their new releases, because lately I'm like trying to catch that more often, because I understand that it's hard to create that. But this one's $1.82, and then not $1.82, but as well. Then date dots she now has in her shop, which are so cute. This one is $1.50. So it's almost the same size, but the cuts aren't quite as intricate and things like that. So I think that's why it's a little bit cheaper. And then it's date dots. I don't know why it says number 2. I don't know. I guess that's the font I picked. I don't know. And then, all right, so now we're going to get into the kits. She does like mini kits. So they don't have like traditional headers. They don't have full box checklists, and they don't have washi. But I basically make use of them a lot of the time on my B6TN. So here's the date covers, and then you can kind of like buy the add-on of date dots, but then you can use it for like multiple weeks. So that's what I was thinking here. So this one's really cute. This one's called Rustic Photo because it's a rustic photo kit. So that's what it looks like. So you have like your roses and such, and I feel like my I'm trying to decide what would go best with this. I have that pink and gold rose, which I think would go with it, and then also that wooden heart that I had. Where's my hearts? I put hearts and stars together in my book. I know you guys want to see this. I know you do. Okay, so then here's this one. Do I have that in a bow? I feel like I have before, but I don't with me. I need to put tabs on it. That's why I'm not ready to show you yet. I haven't finished putting my tabs in. I have the snowflake one. No, I don't have the wood grain bow, but I'm pretty sure I released it. I don't know. So I think those two, especially with the wood crate, totally matches. I'll probably use those two. That'd be really cute. And we're going to keep those to the side so when I do photos. So full boxes, quarter boxes, and then you have littles, and some quarter boxes and checklists. Wait, what is happening? I'm so confused. It says page 6 and page 1. I'm so confused. So normally they have headers. I don't know what's going on. Whatever. Because it's just weird that says page 6 and this says page 1. I don't know. I think it was an older kit. I don't know. I'll have to ask her. What's going on? Okay, and then this one is the spring photo kit. So I had to have this one, right? I did do a tulip, but I think it sold out fairly quickly. So I don't even think I have it in my flower clips anymore. No. But I do have a sunflower. And I do have a daisy, so those would definitely go. And then the butterfly, I believe, is sold out as well. So, whoops. But there you go. So the little yellow rain boots and stuff definitely go with the sunflower and the daisy. Those are so cute. I'll have to keep that together. And then See, this is what I was talking about. There's freestanding checklists and half boxes and glitter headers. So I don't know. That was interesting. Okay, so it has like the same photos in the half boxes as well, and then she did a couple different shades of the glitter headers. So cute there. And then I'll stack the clips with it so I can take my pictures. Alright, and then we have Easter. This one is basically the Easter photo kit. And this is an add-on, by the way, when you get the date dots and the like sidebar kind of things and the Monday through Sunday and habit tracker. It's like $2. And then this right here, so cute. I have not I have not really started Easter clips yet, but I will say I did release Easter grass palm, and it totally has like that green grass. And then the petal palm is really cute to go with anything like light pink, like the tulips there. So I think those would definitely go. I haven't done a daffodil. That would be fun. So I feel like the palms would definitely go with that one. And then you have your glitter headers and checklist there. And then I did get the April monthly. So this one is more Easter as well, and it's got the tulips and the little bunnies touching noses. And then here's like your bill dues and headers for your sidebar, and then like a box to cover up in the monthly spread. I feel like I'm missing something. What is happening? Okay. Well, I thought there was one more page to that. I don't know why I thought that. April monthly. No, that's right. Just those 2 pages. So she doesn't do like the date dot stickers. So basically she doesn't do that. And then this one will be, oh, that's what I was thinking, like the extra boxes. This runs across and covers up more boxes. That's what it is. Okay, so then you get these 2 sheets, and it's only $7 for a monthly spread, which is really cheap. And then I added these because I always end up needing extra quarter boxes, because in her mini kits, let me show you. In her mini kits, if you get the add-on, you have an extra quarter box here. And then there's 4 right here, and then there's like a bow one. So what I was thinking was that like I would use those 4, and then usually I have that one as 5, but then I need a 6 and a 7. So I end up needing like 2 more. And so I always end up like struggling with what I should do. So I was thinking if I had her little quarter boxes here, she sells them in different shades. But this whole sheet of these is $3. So you get quite a bit of them as far as that goes. And I felt like with the neutrals, it's like I could use up the pink, the grays, and then like these browns I thought would really go good with like the rustic. Let me show you that rustic photo one. See, I felt like I could pick the pink, but then in this one there's so much brown that I could pull in that brown if I wanted to. And she even has like the dark brown right here, this kettle, and some dark brown behind it. She has that as the quarter boxes here, so the brown or light brown I think would be a good mix there. So that's what I was thinking, is that I would basically incorporate those into her kits. So that's why I got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and check out Brittania Nicole. Like I said, use Runwith15 for 15% off to save you some money. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.